Hey y'all, so as many of you guys know, me and my daughter, from the video that I made yesterday, me and my daughter um, are stranded at the gas station. Her car decided to cut off on July 16th, 2026, and we have been stuck in this parking lot since then. We got a jump yesterday, but the car, we cut it off and it would not cut back on. We've got the money to get the battery and to pay for the installation of the battery. However, we are still in need of $108 to get the car towed from where we are sitting at right now to the place where we're going to buy the battery and for them to install it. We are also in need of help with lodging so that we can shower. And so I'm humbly coming back again as I feel led by the Lord to do so, to ask for help and to ask for help with these other two things. Even if we're only able to get the battery in the car and the car started, we can go wash up somewhere else, like, Taco Bell or something, or whatever the case may be. But if you feel led to be a blessing to help us, you can do so via either one of the options below. And know that God sees your giving, and He will give it back unto you, pressed down, shaken together, and running over. Which means you will have more than enough so that you can continue to be a blessing to others. As it is written, God blesses us to be a blessing to others. As always, I love you guys with the love of Christ. Thank you for all of your support.